Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your MacBook Air. Many players want to enjoy this popular strategy game on a larger screen. We will cover two main approaches: using an Android emulator or leveraging your Apple Silicon Mac's capabilities. By the end, you will have clear steps to get your village building and battles underway, ensuring a fantastic gaming experience. One effective way to play Clash of Clans is through an Android emulator. These applications, like BlueStacks or Moomoo Player Pro, simulate a mobile device on your MacBook Air. You simply download the emulator, sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store, and then install Clash of Clans. This method offers a familiar mobile interface and allows for custom key mapping, giving you precise control over your troops and village. If you own an Apple Silicon MacBook Air, you have an exciting advantage. These Macs can run iOS applications natively, providing excellent performance. While Clash of Clans isn't on the Mac App Store, you can often sideload the iOS app. Additionally, emulators like Moomoo Player Pro are specifically optimized for Apple Silicon, delivering incredibly smooth gameplay, sometimes up to 240 frames per second, for a truly immersive experience. To maximize your Clash of Clans experience, consider a few tips. First, ensure your MacBook Air has ample free storage and at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Adjust your emulator's graphics settings to find the perfect balance. Using an external mouse can significantly improve your control accuracy. Finally, always link your Supercell ID to save your progress and easily switch between your Mac and mobile devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.